Ayan guys, so ang aming mga vegetable seedling ready na for planting. Yan o, ang ganda-ganda na ng weather dito sa UK. Ayan o. Springtime is here. So, Nine will show us our seedlings. Nine, which one is your favorite?
I like this upo.
Upo, yes. This is a bottle gourd, upo. Yeah, we're going to plant this here, upo.
Looks cool.
Yeah? And of course, this one as well, you said. This is the bitter one, ampalaya.
Ampalayang.
Yeah, ampalaya. Let me see. Ayan guys, we're going to plant this year. Let's try kung makakapagpabunga tayo ng ampalaya. And of course, this long one, last year meron na tayo nito. This is a runner beans. And ito, Nina, ay talong! Tortang talong! Magtutortang talong tayo this year. No, talong!
Oh, okay.
Tortang talong. Yeah?
Look.
This is aubergine.
Oh, I think so.
Aubergine. Ayan guys, oh. Ang dami, oh. Nagpunla tayo. And this one
Ooh.
is beetroot. Second batch ng ating beetroot, Nina. Meron na tayo natanim sa allotment, sa plot natin, pero kailangan natin ng maraming beetroot. And yan guys, ito yung plumbed na tomatoes galing from Najad, Gujarat, India. Yan ang marami tayong tinanim na plum tomatoes. And ito pa rin talong. And meron tayong chilies. Ayan, chilies. So last year naman meron tayong tanim na chilies. Ano pa ba? And this one, Nina. This one is the cherries tomatoes.
Guys, after doing this, we're going to go to the allotment and update you what is there. And thank you for watching my birthday celebration video. I feel so happy for all of the birthday wishes. And if you still didn't watch it, please watch it. Thank you. Guys, if you really like this video, please press the like button. Thank you. Such a lovely day today.
Really lovely day yan guys, oh. Very sunny. That's why we are here to update you guys sa aming allotment. Ayan guys, oh. Nakikita nyo na. But Nina, first, we're going to update them about our berries. Ayan guys, ito ang ating white berries.
White berries.
Ayan, oh. Ang daming bunga, Nina. Come on, sit down. Yan, oh. And you can see now the berries, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. This is only one plant of white berries. And Nina, this next one is, ayan, this is the blueberries. Yan guys, oh, ang dami ng bunga nila, oh. I think Nina, we will have lots of berries this year. This side, come on Nina.
Okay.
Here you are. Yeah? Look. Oh. And this is as well a blueberries. Yan guys, oh. Wow, ang dami. Yan guys. I think October nung ating na-prone to. Kaya maganda ang output. And Nina, you see this? Those are I think those are blue or red. These two. Ayan, ha. Nina, what we're going to do with the berries?
Make what's it called? Juice.
Juice or jam? Yeah? Yeah. And check out this, Nina. Yan guys, ang daming bulaklak. Excited tayo this summer sa berries. And Nina, this one, the last one, I think this is the red. Yan, no? See? It's color red. Ang dami. Ayan, no? Wow! So yung guys, ang ating first update sa berries. Mukhang marami tayong magagawang jam and juices sa berries. And Nina, which one next? We have to show them. strawberries.
The strawberries. Look, look, look.
Yes.
Flowers.
Yan guys, oh.
King them with the stick.
Those white one. Yan ang mga bulaklak ng ating strawberries. Ayan, no.
Look at that. This one, that one.
Yeah.
That one, that one.
And that one. Yan guys, tinanim natin tong strawberries 2 years ago. So this is the second year now. Ito lang ang nako-survive eh. Marami naman dito sa side na to. And this side, Nina, come here. Ayan, no. This side, marami mga namatay, oh. This side, dami dito sa side na to. Pero here, ayan guys. And Nina, this side.
Yeah.
Ito, dito, mas marami dito sa side na to. Sa ilalim ng berries, meron tayong strawberries. Ayan, no. Ang ginawa natin guys, early spring, like second week of April, naglagay na tayo ng fertilizer sa ating mga berries and strawberries. Kaya ayan, no. Ang ganda na ng bulaklak nila. And what next? And this side guys, ito ang ating onion, autumn onions. Ayan, no. Ang gaganda na. I think Nina, early June we're going to harvest them, yeah?
Yes.
Ang dami nating onion this year. And that side. And in between guys, tinaniman na natin ang beetroot. Ayan, no, this violet one. Mayroon na tayong beetroot na tinanim. Ayan, no. Okay. And here you are guys. This side is, I forgot how you call this. This is beans as well.
Woo.
Yeah, may mga bulaklak na siya guys, oh. Ayan, no. Pero hindi yan. This is the broad beans, Nina. This is the broad beans. Ayan, yeah. But it will grow like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Medium size.
Yeah, big size. But they are starting to, yeah, they are flowering now. So ayun guys. And Nina, ito ating tinirang tulips.
How big?
Dalawang tulips. Ayan, no.
One is so big.
Remember Nina?
Yeah, they're like small.
They were color white.
They're color white.
No, yellow.
Yeah, yeah.
And now, yan pala yan guys, oh. Pag nag-open na talaga sila, nagiging white na. Kasi nung binili namin talaga sa photo, white yan. And yan na nga, it turned to white na. And this side guys, beside the onion, I planted radish. This is French radish. Nina, the small one. Yan, oh. Ang gaganda na. Yeah.
Very, very small.
I think in 2 weeks, we're going to harvest them. Yeah, we can start to harvest those radish, yan, oh, for salad. And this side, meron tayong pa tuloy na onion again. Ayan, oh, they're starting now. This is spring onions. And this side guys, ang ating giant garlic. Nina, don't pinch it.
Okay.
Don't pinch it because ayan, no, you can see the difference, Nina. Why they call giant? They are huge.
Very, very big.
Compared to them. This is our ordinary garlic last year. Ayan, no.
And look at this. The stem is like very
Yeah,
big.
that's why it's
Compared to
giant. This is the French one. The French one. Ayan, no, those they are nine garlics. But our ordinary garlic siya, ang dami, oh. Malapit na nating i-harvest yan. It's turning na to yellow. And Nina, meron tayo dito. Nina, this is the elephant garlic.
Oh, elephant.
Yeah, only 2.
Very big.
You know how big they are. They are still baby.
Baby?
Yeah, July we're going to harvest them. Yeah. Ayan guys, oh, laki, oh. But only 2. Only 2. It's look like same like this, but they are leeks. Yan, no. Last ano pa natin yan, last autumn pa natin tinanim itong mga leeks, pero nakasurvive sila winter. Anyway, nakaka-survive naman talaga ang leeks kahit anong season dito sa UK. And ito yung ating mga spring onions. Pinatuloy natin. They're growing well. And this side guys, ang ating peas. Yan, no. Marami sila. Approximately 15 plants yan. Nilagyan na natin sila ng string so they can grow up. Yeah? Nina,
Yeah.
what do you think? Do you think they will survive?
Yes,
Ayan,
sir.
oh. Nag-frost guys. Nag-frost dito. May mga affected tayo na vegetable gaya ng what's this? Tomatoes, potatoes. At saka yung ating sayote. Pero anyway, tutubo naman ulit yon like ng potatoes. Pero ang tomatoes, wala. Nagtanim tayo pero nag-frost. Papakita ko sa inyo. Yan guys, oh. Nag-frost. Affected ng frost kasi early in the morning. Last year naman hindi ganito Pero this year naapektuhan sila Anyway, tutubo uli sila. And makakasurvive pa rin sila. And this side guys nag-frost ang ating sayote. Pero they're growing again. They're growing back, yeah?
What happened?
Because early in the morning, frost. Yeah. Ayan frost. But this will do. They will grow again, And that one. Frost to. That one.
Yeah, look at that.
So yun guys, may bad news and good news sa ating allotment. May mga na-frost tayo. Pero bibili na lang ulit tayo ng panibagong tomatoes kasi talaga nag-frost. Anyway, meron pa naman tayo sa bahay na mga seedling. Pero yung isang variety na dito lang sa UK, bibili tayo nun kasi frost namatay
Guys, so this is our second year of grapes.
Yeah, this is what they are 2-year-old na. This year, they're starting to grow. There one more here. Ayan and one more here. And the other one here. Ayan, 4 grapes. Here you are guys, dito sa kung saan kami nagba-barbecue. I planted here, Nina. I planted from this side up to there. Onions and beetroot. Beetroot.
They look
Ayan yeah. Garlic? Yeah, they look like garlic when they're small. Yeah. Ayan pero may beetroot tayo dito. Maraming beetroot yan yung violet na yan. Beetroot. Okay. And then after this, we're going to harvest some vegetables, for our salad and tinola.
Okay.
And Nina is going to harvest our kale, Nina? Yan guys, this violet is good for salad, but this is good for tinola or sinigang. So Nina, could you please, here, that side, it's nice.
Okay.
Yeah, here. Come on.
This one?
Yeah, like this. Like this. Yeah, like this, Nina.
Okay.
Yeah? Come on, get it there. Get there.
Okay.
Try it.
I'll try.
Yeah.
I'll try this one.
Yeah, try this one and show it here. Oh, she's struggling. Nina, like this. See? Pinch it.
Okay. So let me find another one.
This one will do. This one will do. Just pinch it. Yeah, show it here. Yan guys, come on. And then, Nina, I'll get some this. Ayan This is very healthy. But it's better, Nina, we harvest early in the morning this, yeah?
Yes.
Okay? And then after this, we're going to harvest those last year onion. Harvest this one. They are, it's get bolted na, Nina. Flowering. I'll tell you why guys, but why it's flowering so early. Yan guys. Ayang problema pagka nag-flowering na bolted kung tawagin dito sa UK, hindi nagde-develop yung kanyang onions. Kasi guys, lang to, sinubol lang last autumn and itinanim ko. Kasi ito last year pa to. Kaya nag-bolted na early compared to this one. Look Nina, they are not bolting, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. This will give us big onions, but look this one, yeah. Kaya yung guys, ito ang different ng this is like 2 years old onion na. Okay, and maybe I'll take this one as well. This one
Wait. Ooh.
See?
Yes. See.
All right, because we need onions. And one more update, guys. We have here carrots. Ayan organic carrots. And this one is coriander leaves.
Guys, it's getting now greenery in our flat, and look how beautiful it is.
Yes, yan guys, it's getting warm and greenery na here in England, especially dito sa allotment na to. Yan guys, very happy with the situation here. At last, the long wait of cold and wet winter is finished. Yan guys, hopefully, definitely Nina, definitely we will get a bountiful harvest of our berries, strawberries, onion, garlic, and so on and so on and so on. Yun lang guys. Hopefully, please continue to watch Bimbo Conejo vlogs, especially our allotment vlogs here, vegetable garden here in the UK. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And Nina, please like, share, and
Subscribe.
thank you.
Bye.